To enable USB debugging in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on About Phone Information. You will need to enter developer mode, so to do that, go to Software Information and here keep clicking on the build number until you enter developer mode. After that, you can find developer settings all the way down on the settings page. Open them and then scroll down looking for the USB debugging. So as you can see, it's right here, and we need to, for me it's disabled because I have auto blocker. So if you have the same issue, you will need to turn it off. And to turn off auto blocker, we need to navigate into security and privacy options. Then look for the auto blocker. Here you can turn it off. And when it's off, we'll be able to finally enter USB debugging, as you can see right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.